sets are given. A, this is equal to xy such that y equal to e to the power x. This is exponential curve. And here another set B, this is equal to xy such that y equal to x. We have to find the correct alternative from the given 4. We take any point xy belongs to A, then we must have y equal to e to the power x, and any point xy belongs to B, then we must have y equal to x. This is exponential curve. The graph of this curve is, we know that at x equal to 0, y equal to e to the power 0 means 1. As x tends to infinity, y equal to e to the power infinity tends to infinity. Similarly, x tends to minus infinity, y equal to e to the power minus infinity tends to 0. So the exponential curve is look like this. Here y equal to 0, that is x axis, is asymptotes. And another curve, this is very simple curve. This is a straight line with slope m equal to 1, that is tan theta equal to 1, that is theta equal to pi by 4. So this is a straight line passes through the origin, making an angle pi by 4 with positive x axis. So this line is given as. Clearly, these two curves have no common point of intersection, because as x increases, y is also increases to infinity. And here the straight line as like. Also, if we expand y equal to e to the power x, we know that the expansion of e to the power x is 1 plus x square by factorial 2 plus x cube by factorial 3 plus to infinity. Now, as x greater than 0, y greater than x. So, clearly y greater than x and y equal to x have no common point of intersection. Hence, the correct option is A intersection B. This is equal to 5. And our correct answer is option C. C is correct. Right? Thank you. Thank you for watching.